Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. We got a great episode coming up. For Appies with Chappie by the Lake, I'm going to make a banana bread shooter to go with my appetizer. So check it out. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the Lake. Today we got a little poo-poo platter going. It's just an assortment of fried delectables with hoisin sauce for dipping. I'm going to make a shooter to go with that. I'm just going to consult with my trusty bartender's guide. And this is called a banana bread shooter. So I got some banana liqueur. We'll go 2 parts banana liqueur. Oh, that's a little much. We'll take a little off the top there. And we'll go a splash of Bailey's salted caramel and a splash of coffee liqueur. And that is a banana bread shooter to go with my poo-poo platter. Not bad, not bad. All right, that concludes another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. So this is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.